Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Dave here with Go Gamers, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Xbox One X that's having power issues where it's not powering on at all. So let's go over to the upper cam and see what we got going on. All right, so as you can see, turn the camera down here. We have a Xbox One X, and it's not getting any power whatsoever. So I want to move the camera right here. As you can see, I'm pressing the power button. I have it plugged into the power. We're not getting any power at all. Now, I want to let you guys know if you're having issues where your console is turning on and turning back off, the repair that we're getting ready to do on this console more than likely won't fix that one. So if you are having that issue, definitely go look at another video. I'm not sure if I uploaded a repair on that one, but if I have, definitely check out some of my other videos to see if we can be able to get that, if you can repair that one off that one. But I'll remind myself in the future to check to see if I have uploaded that one, and if I haven't, to make sure I'll upload a video on how to be able to repair that specific issue. But if you're getting no power at all, we're going to go over how to fix that issue right here, right now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take it all the way down inside of this game console. Now I want to let you guys know, if you also have water damage, the repair that I'm getting ready to show you might also not fix that one as well. I also do have videos on how to do water damage. So let's get this taken apart and let's see what we got going on with this game console. All right, so we have it all the way inside the game console. So 9 times out of 10, what it's typically going to be is this right here. Now, this is your PSU, also known as a power supply unit. So I can easily take this out. As you can see, I'm just pulling straight up. And we're going to take this from under there and take that out just like that. So we have it out. Now we obviously want to make sure that that is the issue. So I have another power supply right here. We're going to put this over here. All right, so as you can see, it does turn on and powers on, but let's make 100% certain. Let's go over to HDMI and make sure it shows up on the screen. All right, so seems to be working just perfect now. So that was a quick and easy fix on a Xbox One X that's not powering on at all. If this video did help you guys out, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you still are having continued issues, please go ahead and leave a comment down below so I can know what type of repair videos I should upload for future reference. So if you are having the issue where maybe turn it on and turn it off, or if it's just still not powered on, where we might have to look at the motherboard and check out the power rails, that's something that we could be able to diagnose right here on this channel. So make sure you go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Also, you can reach out to us on our website at gogamers.com. We can also repair the console for you if you don't feel comfortable working on your own game console. But besides that, I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya.